Guess where we are? Came to help Sage move out of her dorm because it's the end of her freshman year, and of course we've got to stop at Disneyland. Didn't show up till 11 o'clock. I'm usually a road drop person. A little busy. They are having their 70th celebration.
Don't you worry, Louis. We're gonna find just what we need in the Bayou.
Oh my God.
We all gonna pull together.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here, and they are cooking.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Listen to this. These cats can play.
Hope you enjoyed hearing. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful self.